Say hi.
Hi.
Is it today your first day of school?
Yes.
Yeah, so what are you gonna do in school?
I'm going to learn.
You're gonna learn?
And I'm going to tell my teacher, my name is, I don't know what's my name.
What's your name? My name
My name
is Angelica.
Angelica Julie Raven.
And how old are you, Angelica?
Hmm.
How old is that?
4.
You're 4. Are you excited to go to school?
Yes.
Yes? Are you gonna behave in school?
Yes.
So what are you gonna do in school?
I'm going to learn and play in the pool. Pool. Mama, I'm going to act naked. No, when I go in the pool.
I love you.
I love you, Mama.